create an adaptive book using Boardmaker with symbolated texts and images that you import from the internet that match your book. Go to New Activity, click Printable, click Books and Presentations, and then I'm going to do a landscape book with the text below the image and click Create. The book that I am adapting is Eric Carle's Brown Bear, for an example. Now for your picture, click on the picture section, go over to symbols, and then instead of using Boardmaker symbols, we're going to go to the internet or the web, and I'm going to type in Brown Bear and Eric Carle. And there's the image that I want. I click on it and I drag it into the box. For the next page, I already have my pictures up and I know I want a picture of a brown bear for page 1, so I'll click on it and drag it here. Then for text, I'll go back over to Properties, which gives me my text options, and I can type in the first line of the book, brown bear, what do you see? Now to symbolate that text, I'm going to select the entire text line. Over here, it says Symbolate All, and then Symbolate mode is off. I'm just going to select On, and now my text has symbols. This will support my students with lower literacy skills, and this is an easy way to adapt a book.